danger of smoking in campus areas. Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone, honorable audience, especially all respected lecturer of Bina Sarana Informatika University and all my fellow students from all departments. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to deliver a speech this morning. Before I begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zikri Al-Faiz from the majoring in Information Technology. This morning, please allow me to deliver a speech with the theme The Danger of Smoking in Campus Areas. We all can know that campus is a place to gain knowledge, build a bright future, and create a healthy and productive environment. However, smoking on campus often becomes a problem that disrupts our comfort and health. Smoking is not only dangerous for smokers, but also for those around them. Cigarette smoke contains more than 4,000 harmful chemicals, including nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. These substances can cause various serious diseases such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problem. Image, even non-smokers are exposed to secondhand smoke. They can experience the same harmful effects, even though they have never touched a cigarette. This is certainly very unfair and violates other right to clean water. In principle, I do not support smoking anywhere, including on campus, because there is no safe zone for harmful smoke. Exposure to secondhand smoke can cause serious illnesses in adults and babies, even without them directly smoking. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum friend. Today I will explain about the usage of modal in request word. Present by Muhammad Zikri Al-Faiz. Topic: the usage of modal in request word. Next. Introduction. In English, modal are actually verbs that express the speaker attitude toward the action. This presentation focuses on how modal are used to make requests politely and appropriately. Next. What are modal? Modal are helping verbs that express function such as possibility, ability, necessity, and permission. Example: can, could, might, will, would, shall, should, must. Next. Definition of request. A request is a way of asking someone to do something. In English, request can be made more or less polite depending on the modal used. Next. Purpose of using modal in request. 1. To express politeness. 2. To spoken comments. 3. To show respect or social distance. 4. To make the communication smoother. Next. Common modal used in request: can, could, my, might, will, would, and shall. Next. Using can for request. Can is used for informal request. Example: can you come to my house tonight to do your English homework? It shows a direct and friendly tone. Next. Using could for request. Could is a more polite and formal form of can. Example: could you please open the window? It is suitable in professional or respectful context. Next. Using my for request. My is used for very volatile or formal request. Example: may I borrow your book? It often shows respect or asking for permission. Next. Using might for request. Might is rarely used for request, but when used, it is very polite and indirect. Example: might I ask a question? Next. Using will for request. Will is used for direct but polite request. Example: will you join us for dinner? It sounds confident yet courteous. Next. Using would for request. Would is one of the most polite and common form. Example: would you mean helping me? It shows consideration in politeness. Next. Using shall for request. Shall is often used in offer or suggestion. Example: shall we begin the meeting? It's formal and polite. Next. Level of politeness. Informal. Can you? Polite. Could you? More polite. Would you? Very polite. Might I? Or might I? Next. Structure of request sentences. Modal plus subject plus verb. Example: could you help me? Sometimes please is added to increase politeness. Next. Example is conversation. A. Can you pass the salt? B. Sure. 2. A. Could you please close the door? B. Of course. 3. A. May I ask you a question? B. Ahead. Next. Practice time. Rewrite the following using modal for polite requests. Open the window. Titik-titik, you open the window. What the answer? Yeah, the answer could. Could you open the window? 2. Help me. Titik-titik, you help me. Please. What the answer? The answer could. Could you help me? Please. 3. I borrow your pen. Titik-titik, I borrow your pen. What the answer? Yeah, the answer my. May I borrow your pen? Next. Common mistakes. 1. Forgetting to use the base form of the verb after a modal. 2. Mixing up modal meanings. 3. Using modal without the subject. Next, summary. Modal help express politeness in request. Choose the right modal based on context and relationship. Practice using different modal to sound natural. Next, thank you